Hi, so I'm going to be unboxing 동방신기's Android, which is a song I absolutely love. And one of my favorites of their newer songs. So yeah, I really like Superstar as well. But they have done many great songs. So, but this is one of their many great songs. So, this is the Type A CD+DVD version. And I still have it in the plastic because this one has the awesome plastic that you can reseal. So yeah, I've taken out the Photocard, so I'll show you that one later. So yeah, it comes with a sticker right here. Let's take it off. Oh, it started to break a bit. Oh well, it's just plastic. As long as the CD don't break, so I'm all good. But usually does when it's dual cases. Anyways, so this is the front. And the back. As I said, it comes with DVD. And the side. And we open it up. Here's the OB strip. And then we then we have the CD and the DVD. Love the design of these. Like a Tron feel to it. Totally. So pretty. These pictures. Like wow. So that's the CD and the DVD. And then we have, yeah, you saw it. An ad. And then a little fold out here. So the lyrics here and the credits. Then we have here. That's the title and Changmin. And yeah, then we have of course the. Did I put that? Oh, put it on the wrong way. Yep, I did. Then we have the Photocard I got, of course. So, as usual, it's a jacket-sized one. And I got, So, yeah. Really awesome. And yeah, that's it. Yep, that's all. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!